allowing you to keep working on the short sale at that stage at 70, and it's now traded a low price of 60. So that tiny little piece of information, this activity increase, then the big sell off on the VPIN, suggesting that what the VPIN found was a very, very, very active seller coming into the markets there. And it wasn't just that, it was the fact that it then tied in with this white print, followed by that hailed offer. And you can just see now on the right-hand edge, guys, there you go, 20 ticks, $200 of beautiful sell side, crazy good profits, wasn't it? It's not just about one piece to that, is it? It's not about just seeing the VPIN going offer. That's not what it's about. But take a look. Were you looking for that sell, yes or no? Were you actually looking for that sell at that point, yes or no? Well, the answer to that question is yes, you were. Because take a look at the candle. What was the black line doing on that candle? It was dropping, right? So when that black line is dropping, is the informed traders likely to be selling? Did we recognize the pins at a lower price? Did we recognize 2 pins at a lower balance area, suggesting that if we can draw 2 pins at a lower balance area with dropping value, that also means offers? Yes or no? Can we recognize with that 2 pins at the lower level suggesting offers? That's unusual. That is informed selling. That is informed selling, which in turn showed up on that activity, which in turn led to the VPIN going very, very short, which in turn led to a sell trade at 80, which in turn's just made $300 on the right-hand edge of that chart now. That's the secret, Tom. If you can harness that little bit of knowledge, that little bit of understanding, that is the only pursuit worth doing as a trader, you've just made the breakthrough in your knowledge. Everything you should be doing should be applying to finding informed traders. The more informed, the bigger, the stronger, the better. And that's the trade right there. That is a perfect example. On the right-hand edge, just finishing off the classroom, that's a perfect example of what you're looking for right there. And a massive $300 profit in the course of about 4 or 5 minutes. That's what's at stake, guys. Seeing those trades in those areas. It is the perfect trade outcome. And if Mike's talking about that oil, that is the perfect BSG squeeze. It's before the break. It's running into paycheck liquidity. You can recognize paycheck liquidity is at $81.75 or just about there. 81.74, 81.73. So we've got big paycheck liquidity in this area here. And we sweep it. We sweep it right off the trade. And you're in before the paycheck. That is where you should be getting your money, guys. That's the money shot in trading. That's the key to trading success, is that one trade right there, guys. That is brilliant. The fact we saw it just before we finished there, I just had to come back in just to highlight how strong that sell was at that point. It looked like an absolute stoter of a trade. And if you can sell at lower prices like this, guys, you don't have to try and fade top edges. It's now gone $400, guys. It's now gone $400. Selling a top edge, really hard. Selling a bottom edge, really easy. That is where your money shot is, guys. Get that trade. You don't need anything else. Get that VPIN. Get that storyline in the right location. With that activity, you don't need an awful lot of those trades to make a living at trading, guys. One lot, $400. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm off, Ski. See you later, guys.
Boom. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So good.